Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your videos on X or Twitter. If you want to protect your videos on Twitter, you're going to get it done. Open your X app on your phone or Twitter, then you tap on the profile icon, you tap on it, then you tap on this settings and support, then from there you tap on privacy and security or securities and privacy, then from there you tap on this option which is privacy and safety. You tap on it, then you tap on the audience and tagging. Then from here you can tap on protect your videos. Then once you tap on it, then from here you have an options to protect your videos. And if you posted any videos or post videos, you will need to it will not be this kind of video will not be automatically, it is undownloadable for your friends. So before you can do that, you have to seek an approval from you before you can download your videos, and that's it. If any video is full, I can follow for more. Thank you.